Yes. Now, next question is uh, in countries like USA, Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, there is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay. F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Now what to do? First point is draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. You have to draw one graph. Okay. Yes, now see, for that we have given f is equal to 9 upon 5 c plus 32. Then when v is equal to 20, then what will be? You have to put c is equal to 20 here. 9 upon 5. On place of c I am putting 20 degree Celsius plus 32. Okay, so 5 1 the 5, 5 4 the 20. Okay, so 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 32, this will become 68. Okay, now second value I am taking 40. So again I have to put what on place of c, 9 upon 5 into 40 plus 32. Okay, so 5 1 are 5, 5 8s are 40. So what will come? 9 8 are 72 plus 32. This will be 104. Okay. Then third one is, if I take f is equal c is equal to minus 40. So 9 upon 5, this minus 40. Okay. Then plus 32. 5 1 are 5, 5 8 are. So minus 8 will come. So minus 72 plus 32. This will become minus 40. After that we have to draw one table. Now see how can we draw this one table. Yes, see here I have written degree Celsius and here is degree Fahrenheit. C is 20. C is 20. Then F will be 68. C is 40. So F will be what? F is here 104. If C is I am taking minus 40, then F is again coming minus 40. These all things we have to plot on a graph paper. See in the graph I am taking scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 degrees Celsius and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, now I am going to plot. See, point A is what? 20 and this on x-axis 20 and on y-axis 68. On x-axis there is degree Celsius. Okay, this is degree Celsius and on y-axis this is degree Fahrenheit. This denotes degree Fahrenheit. Okay, I have taken according to scale. On x-axis 20 and y is 68. This is 20 and y is 68. This is 70 now. Then 2 less. This is 68 and point A. This is 20 comma 68. Okay. Now point B. This is 40 and 104. This is 40. 40 is here. 40 and here is, now see here is 104. This is 100 and 104 is here. Point B. This is 40 and 104. Now point C. Point C here. Point C is what? Minus 40 comma minus 40. Minus 40 is here and minus 40 is here also. This is point C, minus 40 comma minus 40. After that you have to join A, B and C with help of scale. Now then join point A, B and C with help of scale, and what is the equation? Equation is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. This is our equation. I'll join point C, A, B and C. This is one straight line. This is how, this is very important one. Like this you have to solve. Then after you have to give answer of the following questions. Yes. Now our first question, second part is, if temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, here is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature at Fahrenheit? Just you see, this is your 80, this is your answer number 2. Okay, if temperature is 30, you will get temperature in Fahrenheit. It is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Now, third part, if temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what will be the temperature in Celsius? See, this is 35 degrees Celsius. So this is your answer number 3. Okay. Now, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit is this 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is fourth one. Two parts are there. Fourth A, I can say two parts are there. Fourth. And if temperature is your 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in degrees Celsius? This is near about minus 18 degree Celsius. This is near about. That is why I have written here approx. Okay. And last one is fourth part. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Yes. This is minus 40, no? Both are the same here, minus 40, minus 40. Yes. At what temperature? At minus 40, minus 40, both are numerically same. This is how you can draw the graph on graph paper.